Manu and Nikki, they became friends. I think the whole house was sort of against her, against Nikki. And अगर Manu उसके साथ दोस्ती करता है तो इसका ये मतलब I don't think होना चाहिए कि you can call someone Jaan part 2.
John Kumar Sanu is with us again with Spotboy to talk more about Big Boss and his journey after the controversial reality show. John, firstly tell me what sort of welcome did you receive when you came out from the house and how your journey has changed after that?
My welcome was very, very beautiful. I had a lot of amazing messages. I had a lot of amazing wishes and a lot of love from the people, and it was overwhelming. It was beautiful, and yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm very glad that people have given me so much of love, so much of so many blessings, such good wishes. I've got such good messages. They've really made my day. And yeah, the journey was amazing. It was something like once in a lifetime kind of an experience. It was breathtaking, and life has definitely changed after Big Boss. I'm working
Okay.
a lot.
Okay. So, what sort of changes did you find after your journey
um,
in the house?
Stepping out of the house became the first issue, because
Okay.
the moment I step out, people come up to me, and they want to click photos and like talk to me. It's really beautiful, but at the same time, because of COVID, you need to maintain a like
Maintain
certain
that
level of
distance.
social
Yeah.
distancing. So
Right.
that was a big change. And apart from that, I think there's a lot of love in general that the people have towards me. My talent is being recognized by a lot of people, which I'm very glad about, because it all happened because of Big Boss. That I
Right.
got this platform where I could showcase my talent, and people are loving it. So overall, it's been really nice. It's been amazing. There have been a lot of changes in my life, and positive changes in my life. So
Okay.
I'm very, very glad.
Are you following the show now also, or busy? You have got busy with your work.
I do watch it when I get the time. Honestly, I'm busy with a lot of work. That's what. So I do follow the show when I get the time. Definitely, I do. Being a part of it, and it's been a good journey. So yeah, I do
Right.
follow the show. Definitely do, and it's interesting to see what's happening now. So
Do you think that getting back the ex-contestants to the current season is fair for the existing contestants?
honestly, this is something that the makers took a call on. I don't think if I think sort of maybe um to the existing people, yes, probably, because we have been fighting it out, and I think the new lot joined in midway. So yeah, the
Right.
duration wise, yes, I guess it is probably, you could say that, yeah, it's probably unfair. But then again, I think once you're in that house, everyone is equal, and all of your
Right.
all of your doings and your work and your even your lifestyle is all the same. So on that matter, I think uh, Big Boss, the makers, I think they've adjusted, they made it very fair in that aspect, by the tasks and everything that happens in the house.
Yeah.
Usse related, I think Big Boss has set the ground in a very, very fair and equal manner once that, they've come in, because there was no exemption given to the new contestants that were in the
Right.
house. There were no special privileges that were given to the new contestants in the house. So yeah, I think overall it's a very balanced decision. And yeah, duration wise it might be unfair, but game wise I think it's changed the entire game completely.
A lot of people feel that the show has become, though is partially unfair for the existing contestants, but the game has become more, the show has overall become more entertaining because of their entry. How much do you agree with this?
I agree with this, I agree with it and I sort of disagree with it on certain levels. I'll tell you why. There are certain, the original lot of contestants that were there, I was one of them.
Right.
We had a certain, there was a certain level, there was a certain
Yeah.
decorum that was maintained even in fights and whatever was whatever was happening in the house. There was a certain level, and now
Hmm.
those levels have gone to extreme levels because the new lot that is coming, they are they are playing all out right from the beginning. So definitely the show overall has become much more entertaining, but I think the people who are in the house would not say that because they are having to face a lot of heat and a lot of new things from the new lot. So I think for
Right.
them, they might not be happy about it, but I think overall the people are really entertained because this entire new lot has come in and there's so much more content that they're giving. There's fresh content. So yeah, I
Hmm.
think for the viewers it's a bliss, but for the
Hmm.
contestants not so much.
But tell me, John, you're not in the house, but they people keep mentioning about you. We heard Kashmira, relating Manu Punjabi to you and said ki John part two. How did you feel when she said that?
That was a very baseless comment, I feel, because at the end of the day, if anybody becomes someone's friend, since I'm not in the house, I felt really bad. I didn't feel bad that she took my name. I felt bad that even after me getting out of the house, um, people cannot get over me, and I take it as a compliment. I'm flattered, but the context that she used my name in was pretty wrong, given the fact that uh, Manu and Nikki, they became friends. I think the whole house was sort of against her, against Nikki. And अगर मनु उसके साथ दोस्ती करता है तो इसका ये मतलब I don't think होना चाहिए कि you can call someone Jan part 2, because in
Hmm.
that manner I have a lot of contestants that I could call by part 2 names. I
Hmm.
wouldn't
Hmm.
want, because that's not how I am. So
Right.
yeah, I felt it was very baseless, and I felt it was very stupid to bring up my name in this context, because if someone becomes someone else's friend, um,
Hmm.
I don't think you should. Firstly, I don't think you should base. You shouldn't bring that friendship down to that base level. Where you can call someone something like that. And secondly, yeah, my name was absolutely uncalled for. I think I've tweeted about this as well. A lot of people tweeted about
Yeah.
this, saying, why are you taking his name? I mean, the guy was pretty sorted. So yeah, Kashmira, I didn't expect that, but again, it's the Big Boss house, so you never know what to expect from
Right.
any.
We also saw you getting upset on social media over Rakhi and Arshi's comment towards Nikki Tamboli for slut shaming her. That's what you wanted to say about. So, what do you want to say on that matter? And why do you feel that it was only Nikki who was being targeted with by these two girls?
Honestly, I would have spoken up for any contestant, be it like any one of the girls in the house for that matter, like be it Jasmine, be it Nikki, be it Rubina. What I did not like was the comments that were being made on. There were some comments I heard regarding her clothing. There were some
Hmm.
comments I heard regarding her wanting to, Rakhi. I think Rakhi had said कि वो कोने
मर्दों
कोने
को लेकर
yeah,
कोने में बैठती है.
yeah. So I felt very bad because overall, in general, whether it be whether it be Nikki, whether it be Jasmine, Rubina, Rakhi, Arshi, anybody, any one of the female contestants, I don't think that's a very nice thing to say
Okay.
to someone on a very humanitarian level, on a very basic human level. And I'd mentioned that, all personal equations aside, this particular thing that happened, this entire incident that has happened, that's not really
Hmm.
terrible or good. And I think
Right.
everyone agreed with me on this as well. A lot of people said that that's karma and whatever it is.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
be it karma, be it anything, I think it was a very sad situation overall, and it was a very wrong thing to say to
Hmm.
anybody. That anybody was Nikki in this situation, but it can be anyone else tomorrow.
Anyone, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
guaranteed that सिर्फ उनसे ही ये बातें होंगी आगे चल के, किसी से भी बातें हो सकती है, and that is what I found very unsavory, and
Yeah.
I didn't like it. So I thought I should speak about it, because a lot of people were asking me, uh,
Mm.
सामने, what is your take on this, and why are you quiet? And
Right.
since I have been a contestant in the house, even if I do stay quiet, people can misconstrue that. So I
Mm.
had to make my stand very clear. So, which is why I spoke up against it.
Well, Nikki has generated feelings for Ellie Goni in the recent episode. I don't know if you're aware about this. So, what you want to say on that? Do you feel that's a genuine feelings for Ellie, or it is just for the game?
Honestly, when it comes to Nikki, I have no idea, because she's a she's got a gamer's mind. So I don't know whether it's genuine, it's not genuine, because I'm not in the house. I'm getting to see as much as you guys are. So I'm
Yeah,
equally
yeah.
confused with this entire incident. But yeah, I think Nikki's been smitten by Ali since day one, I guess. So if
Yes.
it's genuine, I think it'll be good. If it is for the game, I think that'll also be good, because it's going to help Nikki for the game ahead.
Right.
So overall, I don't really know what to say in this matter, because I don't know how true or how false this entire sentence is, given the fact that I'm a viewer now. Had I been
Hmm.
inside the house, I would have been able to, see it proper. But yeah, as of now, I'm as confused as you guys.
John, how's your equation with Nikki now? When she came out, did she try to reach you out? Because I remember when you left the house, she realized her mistakes and she was saying that आप गलत नहीं थे. तो जब वो घर के बाहर आई, तो क्या उन्होंने आपसे बात करने की कोशिश की या आपने उनसे बात की?
No, actually, we didn't have a conversation. I was actually out. I was shooting. I have a couple of music videos and exciting stuff coming up. So I was actually shooting on that front. I was not in town, and yeah, as such, I didn't have a word with her as of now.
But when she'll come out, when the show will end or whenever she is coming out, so would you like to be friends with her or take this relationship ahead?
See, there have been certain things that have been spoken about me, which are very very hard to ignore. There have been certain things that
Hmm.
he has said, and
Yeah.
आई डोंट रियली नो, तब का तब देखेंगे, बिकॉज अभी के लिए तो मुझे सिर्फ एक ही, आई हैव जस्ट वन फोकस राइट नाउ, दैट्स माय वर्क, and touch wood, I'm getting a lot of it. I'm getting good work. I'm working hard. So currently my only career, like my only focus is my career. जब बिग बॉस खत्म होगा, that time I guess it remains to be seen, but till then I
Yeah.
think I will just focus on my work and my career, because um, ultimately that was my goal to go into Big Boss. I
Yeah.
wanted to reach out to people. I wanted people to know that I exist, and this is my talent. I wanted to showcase it in front of people. So now that I
Yeah.
have an opportunity to showcase it, I think I'll focus more on that front than, you know, the other aspect that you just mentioned.
John, as you said, you are busy with your work and you're completely focusing on your career. Would you like to share a few things which you have already shot or you are in process which audience will get to see?
There are a lot of things actually that the audience will get to see. I've been working. I haven't taken one day off since I've come out of the house, and
Okay.
I've been working every day. I've been going on shoots. I've been completing projects. There is a lot of new stuff that's coming. I have two songs coming with Saregama HMV,
Okay.
and one of them is a public favorite. That's Zara Zara, and
Acha.
the second song is Nakre Wali. It's from the film Nai Delhi. Kishore Da originally sang it. I've done a recreation of sorts, and Saregama really loved it. So we are coming up with that. It's both are going to be videos, and apart from that, there's a couple of there are a couple of songs that I'm doing with two other production houses. One is Agaz Entertainment, and the other one, it's a very new production house. And apart from that, I'm waiting to meet Salman sir, because
Okay.
Salman sir told me to
I
come meet
told
him.
you too. Yes. Yes. So you
So
haven't met him till now?
I have tried to get in touch with sir, but because of COVID, I think there is a lot of precautions that need to be taken, and
Right.
I think I hope that I get to meet sir soon, because not many people get to hear those words from Salman sir's mouth.
Yeah.
आप
Yeah.
आके मुझसे मिलिएगा. So I think I'm one of the few fortunate ones, and I really look forward to working with Salman sir soon.
John, when you came out from the house, you seemed really upset with your father because the way you didn't like the way he managed the whole controversy which happened around you and made few allegations on your mother. So how's everything now? Has everything been sorted amongst you guys?
I haven't gotten the chance to speak to dad yet because I am also busy. He's also very busy with his work. But yeah, I
Okay.
think once we talk it out, it'll be better. Obviously, because
Yeah.
there's been a communication gap, I guess, from both of our ends. And as for the comment that dad made regarding my mom, I think the entire world is witness to how well my mom has raised us, all three of us
Hmm.
brothers. So I wouldn't want to comment on that because I think it's there for everyone to see. So
Right.
उस पे comment करके फिर मतलब नहीं बनता. So I guess yeah, I will speak to my dad about this entire thing. I haven't yet got the chance. He's also busy shooting, and I'm also busy with my work. So once we both sit down and talk, I think things will become much more clearer to the both of us.
John, this 2020 has been very difficult for everyone. How do you describe this year for you?
This year was a life-changing year for me in on many aspects actually. I lost the most precious thing to me. That's my granny. My granny passed away. Um,
Okay.
she's my mom's mom, my nanny.
Hmm.
She passed away, and then Big Boss happened, and I think these were the two landmark incidents in my life, and both happened in the
Right.
same year. I'm grateful. I'm glad the way the latter half of this year has turned out to be actually, because
Hmm.
definitely Big Boss was a blessing for me, and
Yeah.
it's helped me reach out to so many people. So I'm ever grateful and glad about it.
Hmm.
Overall, the year's been good, but there has been a very big, I would say there's been a very big space, a hollow space, a hole that is there in my life because my granny is no more, my nani, and I was really
Hmm.
close to my nani. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's something that is a bummer. But overall, this year's been
Thank you so much, John. It was pleasure talking to you.
same here. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care. All the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you.